hand. There you go. Whatever you do, make sure your finger's off the trigger. Kind of like that. Yeah, there you go.
Keep my thumb down.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
And then when you're ready, you're down just a little bit. Safety's off. Okay, you're good. Oh, you got jam.
I can feel the jam.
Whenever you got jam, just pull the clip.
Yeah.
Jack the round out. Put it in. Jack it in. You're good.
I'm gonna have to see that again, you know.
Okay.
Is it okay?
You're good.
It's jammed again.
It's jammed again. It's the ammunition is what it is.
It is.
She said that the ammunition might jam.
Yeah.
This is my bad side. It is. It's my bad side. Okay. Oh, don't point it at Josh.
You're good. You're good.
Okay. Good position on my fingers.
Perfect.
You know what?
Shot. Good shot.
This is intense.
It gets intense, but once you shoot it over and over and over.
Am I hitting that thing?
Yeah. You're doing it.
Woo!
Good shot. Nice.
I want to hit the sign on the. Should I just go forward or down?
Oh.
I want. Okay.
Just keep shooting.
I want to hit something. Can I hit that?
Yeah, sure. Shoot whatever you want.
Oh, well,
Nice.
I nicked it.
There you go. You're good. Make sure you scoot up a little bit. There you go.
I'm a little tense. Okay. I want to hit that green thing.
Good shot.
You're
Okay,
a little
is my posture
high.
Bad? Ooh, sorry.
When you're shooting, try to lean forward.
Oh, okay, lean forward.
A little bit.
Okay.
It might help to get a wider stance.
Yeah.
Or,
Okay.
or put a foot in front, either way.
What? What?
You can either do a wide stance or like 1 foot out
Just
front
like put a front-
and then lean into your
There you
front
go,
foot.
Just like that.
You're a little high, so you want to aim a little lower.
There you go.
I still missed. It jammed. Or I'm out.
You're out.
Have I actually hit that thing?
Yeah. See that on the top?
Okay.
You did that.
I want to make it fly. I want it to fly. Hey, I'm going to start a business.
There you go.
You know what it's going to be called? It's going to be called Fingers and Firearms.
Ooh, sounds
Think?
good.
Think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
Yeah. Has that been one continuous video?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You can always cry.